into your frame.
Look at your body, baby.
Ooh, and I gotta catch my plane. Say yes.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I got this hair color, and if you guys want to know how I did that, then keep on watching. That was some scissors. This is like getting a new, I don't know. This is like looking for something out of the mail. What is it? Since I already did my hair earlier in the morning, I'm just gonna take a hair tie. I'm just gonna tie one side of my head. I'm gonna take a hair clip and before I do go in with the red hair paint wax, I'm going to be using the Cantu leave-in conditioner and a spray bottle. I'm just going to go ahead and refresh my entire head. Now that I have that done, I'm just going to go ahead with the red hair paint wax and I'm going to go ahead all over my head, section by section. Okay, it smells good. Okay. With the hair paint wax. Now, this is why I decided to wear something that I know can get messy, because doing hair paint wax can get messy. Here, I'm just going over my hair with a second layer of the hair paint wax. add it to the back of my hair as well. scrunching it up, and this is so that the hairpin wax can get more evenly distributed into my hair. So I'm not going to take my diffuser, I'm going to diffuse my entire head. I'm going to set my diffuser on low heat. So this is the finishing look. You really can't see it on camera, but it is more of a burgundy type of red. The color that I got from the hair paint wax was red, but after putting it on and letting it dry, it looks more like of a burgundy. I personally actually like this color, and I think it came out super cute, and I'm so happy with the results of how they came out. Now you can tell from the roots that the color is red, but like right here you can see it kind of looks burgundy to me at least. So I think this color is super cute though. Now after I did diffuse, I used two of my picks, a black one and a blue one. They're both one size bigger than the other. I did pick my hair out because I didn't want the hair paint wax to stick to my roots and leave my hair without less volume. Alright y'all, so this is pretty much it for the end of this video. If you guys did like this video, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Boom! Hey ho, hey ho. What's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. What's up y'all? If y'all want to know how I got a headache.